Come to the Tac City Summer Kickoff with me, Airsoft Swap Meet. Discounted new and Boneyard sale. 3 sessions of Airsoft. Storage Wars. Let the bidding begin. He got all this for only $130. More Storage Wars. Winners. Gel Blaster to V2 truck. Raffle prizes. New VR station preview. Hope to see ya at the next one.